Welcome to San Academy Pallikarnai, Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 14 Statistics, Part 3. We are going to see in this session gives as the following distribution gives the daily come of 50 workers of a factory. Convert the distribution above to a less than type cumulative frequency. It is exercise 14.4. You will have this one. So let us consider as here some examples. Here it is less than gives a number of workers, and then we have to find out the, and the given class interval is 100 120, class interval is 100 120 120 140 140 160 160 180 180 200, and then here is as frequency is 12 14 8 6 10 50, and this is a class interval, this is a frequency. So now we have to construct the another column that is called less than type OQ. We'll have two types of OQs, less than type and more than type. So below 120 means below 120, below 140 we have to consider, and below 160, below 180, below 200. For less than means we have to go for below. So below 120 means 0, we can write as a 120 140 160 high upper limit you can take 120 140 less than OQ you have to take. And now you have to do for this one cumulative frequency. How we are going 120, so cumulative frequency for 120 is 12. For below 140 what will happen, you should add 12 plus 40 26, should add it 12 plus 40 26, and the same way 26 plus 8 34, 34 plus 6 40, 40 plus 10 50, then you will get this 50, and here what we got, the total frequency will be equal. Understood? So what we got, the total frequency and below 50 they both will be equal. Now we will see the how to draw the graph. So this is the graph we know very well. Whenever you are doing the graph, x-axis will be class interval and y-axis will be frequency. Here class interval 120 140 160 180 200 we have to take, and then we have to construct the class interval is 160 140. So you have to keep here 120 140 160 180 200. So when you are taking this on a y-axis as a this frequency 12 26 34, so you can consider as a 10 20 30 40 50 60 70, because 50 is the highest frequency, so you can consider as a 10 20 30. Now let me see how to draw the, how to plot the point. So 120 comma 12, so below means less than what OQ means you have to take upper limit, then 120 comma 12, 140 comma next 120 comma 12 order pairs. Let me write the order pairs. 120 comma 12 x y, x is the class interval y, and next is 140 comma 26. Now next point is 140 comma 26, and next point is 160 comma 34. Next point is 160 comma 34, and next point is 180 comma 40, 180 comma 40, and next point is 200 comma 50, 200 comma 50. These all the ordered pairs for the less than type OQ. So these all the 5 we have to plot now on the graph sheet. How we are going to first one 120 where here 120 comma 12 plot of between 10 and 12, so 12 two numbers. Same way 140 comma 26, 140 where 140 comma 26, the same way you have to plot 26 is between 20 and 30, sixth line, so 26, so 140 comma 26, and same thing you have to plot 160 comma, what is the next one, 160 comma 34, so take 160 comma 34, now plot on the 160 comma 34, and next one 180 comma 40, and 200 comma what is it, 200 comma, you will get the full graph like this. Okay, these all the less than OQ type, less than type OQ. Okay, it will be whenever less than type. Next we'll see the more than type OQ. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of village. Change this distribution to the more than type. This is exercise 14.4 second sum. Distribution, draw its OQ. So we are going to draw its OQ. So here is given. Here given is same thing like that, 2 4 frequency each and every class interval, 50 55 55 60 60 65 65 70, all the total is 100. It will see more than or equal to. So more than means here 50 to 55 means 50, more than 50. You should not take before less than, we have taken below 55. Here we have to take more than 50 means lower limit we have to consider. In less than OQ we have to consider upper limit, and in more than OQ we have to consider less than limit means lower limit. We have to consider lower limit. Okay, so now if you see in this we have to take more than OQ. How we are going to draw another table? We should add from down to up, or we have to subtract from the 100 like that. So more than is a, so down to up, 100 is a total frequency. Then you take that 100 as a here. Then now 50 to 55 is 100 because it's more than, total is 100. Now next one, how to do this second one? Second one, 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2, or you can add all the 5. Totally is called 100, and then you have to see the that 8 to what is that, 36 is 16 is it, that all you should add 8 12 24, and fourth one 12 24 38 16 you have to add. Okay, the third one, fourth one, like that you should add all, you get the all, or you can do it from down to up, you can subtract also. That we see how to draw the graph for this one. So you know it here is 50 60 65 is upper limit and lower limit. Then more than is there, so you have to take only the lower limit. So 50 55 60 65 70 70, and then y axis you have to take here this 100 98 100 10 20 30 40 we can take. Now draw the order pair. So what is the order pair? First one is we can take it's 50 comma 100, 50 comma 100, and lower limit for more than OQ we have to take. Then like that all the points we have to make it. Now draw the lower values. So 50 comma 100 is on the first this one. Next one is 55 comma 98, between 90, like that all the points you can draw. Then you plot all. Then more than curve will be from up to down, from up to down. Then this is called more than type OQ, called as a more than type OQ. This is a, because more than means from up to down will come, less than means will get down to up. The curve will be like where this. Thank you, students. Happy day, students. Welcome to San Academy Pallikarnai, Chapter 14 Statistics. We are going to see Part 3 OQ. Statistics OQ. This is a question. The following distribution gives a daily come of 50 workers of a factory.